Hi Yifan, this is your feedback video for the Circular Motion 2 homework. Let's have a look at question 1. Right, okay, why is question 1 blank? This is a bit concerning here. I can see you've actually labelled a couple of forces. Well, straight away, reaction force, how can it act into the surface? Reaction force is the force of the surface on the car, so it should be pointing, in this diagram it points this way, and it should be the same magnitude as the weight. And in this diagram it points the opposite to how you've drawn it. It's going to point like this, perpendicular to the surface but away from the surface. This friction force isn't correct either. I want you to finish this question here, okay? This is fine. Yeah. If you're really stuck on this, ask me in the lesson, okay? But if you just didn't leave enough time to do it, can you go ahead and finish it? Okay, question 2. This looks good. Yeah, 0.37 joules. That's correct. That's correct. And this, let's see, what does that say? 4.42 newtons. Let me just double check that. Yeah, all right. Question 2 looks good, Yifan. Okay. Question 3, the car going over the humpback bridge, van rather, going over a humpback bridge. Label the forces acting on the parcel. Okay, this diagram isn't correct. First of all, there are two forces acting, the weight of the parcel and the reaction force. Draw them with a ruler, please. Okay, I want them to both be straight lines. You know, but these are okay. This should not be here. I presume that this means friction. There's no friction force acting on the parcel. The parcel is not moving relative to the floor of the van. It's not sliding along the floor of the van. So there's no friction force. So, yeah. So that shouldn't be there. This is good. Good. Let's see. What's going to happen if the van goes over the bridge at a higher velocity? R will decrease. Good. When V increases, because mg is unchanged while mv squared over r is larger. Good. What would be the significance of any van speed greater than 15 meters per second? R becomes 0. Yeah, this is good work, Yifan. You could explain, what does that mean for the parcel if the reaction force becomes 0? What will the parcel actually do? Okay, have a think about that. But yeah, this question looks good. And then finally, yeah, that's correct. This answer here, we should really round this off to 3 significant figures. I mean, certainly not 4 sig fig like you've done here. I mean, you could argue 2. It should actually be to 2 sig fig, so 130 would be the correct way to express it. So, yeah. Okay, but I'll give you 3 marks. 12 newtons, yeah, good. This here should be to 2 significant figures, you find. Don't round it off to 1 sig fig like this. So I want to see 2.0, like, yeah, 2.0. So I'm going to give you 1 mark there. And this here, yeah, I'm a bit disappointed that you didn't attempt this. Okay, you could have at least had a go at it. Okay, we'll talk about this in the lesson. All right. So, yeah, the mathematics looks good, but the wordy questions like this one and this one at the beginning here, they seem to be the main thing that you need to work on. Okay. Okay. If you have any questions, do let me know.